Precision was incorporated in 1992. We're a tool and die business that mainly make tooling for powder metal pressing, which goes into every part of your life every day. It's in automotive, it's in housing, it's in appliances. What they do is they take metal, they pulverize it, they turn it into a powder. We make the dies and tooling for them to compact it. And then they send her to a hardened area. We've been in business for 27 years. We employ approximately 20 people.
My name is Eric Wells. I'm in charge of the wire EDM and the CNC grinding. Basically what we do back here is we cut steel with a small wire. These machines are both the same thing. We feed the wire. It's a small wire about the size of the thickness of your hair. And then we feed electricity through it, and we'll cut up to about 12-inch piece of steel with that wire.
Various things are grinding things flat and square, and grinding shapes on things that whatever the customer asks for. I learned pretty much all of it here, and these guys are great teachers, and a lot of smart people work here.
My name is David Schaefer. I'm the engineer here at Technical Precision. I've been here for 25 years, going on 26 years. Basically, all orders come through me. Every order that we get in the shop comes through me. The purchase order, the blueprints. I have to make sure that they're up to standard and they match the revision levels that we put on the floor. I have a plot coming off right now off the plotter. What I'll do is I'll design the product from their blueprints, whether it's a new design, which starts from the beginning to the end, or a design where we're just making a punch or a die for the customer.
We're a growing company. The market depends on how housing does, how automotive does, and on. We've been pretty much busy our entire 27 years of doing this. And we hire young people, and a lot of them out of the tech schools from the local area. We train them, and we make them into tool and die makers.